Since the beginning of time, we've believed that every living thing follows the same path. It is the one story shared by every life on Earth. Every living creature is born, it grows, adapts, and with time grows old. No matter how small or how powerful, every journey has always seemed to end the same way. Birth, growth, aging, and death. It is the one law that has shaped life for millions of years. For generations, no one had ever questioned that truth. It was simply the way nature worked, the way it had always worked. Until one extraordinary discovery changed everything. The hardest truths to challenge are often the ones we've believed for the longest, not because they can never be questioned, but because they have never given us a reason to. For millions of years, nature appeared to tell the very same story. Every life moved in only one direction, forward, never back. Then, something quietly refused to fit that story, yet impossible to explain. Deep beneath the ocean, a tiny jellyfish was quietly challenging. A tiny jellyfish was quietly challenging. A tiny jellyfish was quietly challenging not the laws of nature, but our understanding of them. Scientists didn't dismiss it, they observed it again and again, trying to understand what they believed they had just seen. Day after day, the same impossible pattern appeared again. Each new observation raised more questions than answers. The evidence became impossible to ignore. Every experiment pointed to the very same conclusion. Then they witnessed something that biology had never expected. The evidence led to an astonishing conclusion. This wasn't the end of its life, it was the beginning. Once again, scientists finally identified the species. Its name was Turritopsis dohrnii, a tiny jellyfish, unlike any ever studied before. Unlike every other known jellyfish, its life didn't always end with death. Sometimes it began again. Instead of continuing toward death, its cells began to change their identity. One mature cell changed its identity to become another. For a tiny jellyfish, aging is not always the end. If nature has already found a way to begin again, will humanity ever do the same?